Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with some products from the Kylie Cosmetics, I should say. Kylie's Cosmetics collection. This is the Burgundy palette, legit. The Burgundy palette. This is actually going to be cute. I have only tried the Grinch collection from Kylie Cosmetics, so I'm hoping this is kind of similar to that. I really did enjoy the greens with the Grinch palette, so I'm hoping these are going to be similar. I do love my burgundies too. Plus, this packaging is beautiful. Have you not seen this? Hello. I bought this a long time ago with the intention of trying it, using it. I just haven't gotten around to do it. Kind of sad I didn't get to use this before the Grinch one, or I probably would have bought more. That's okay though, because I also picked up this little cutie. What are you? Passion? It's a cream lipstick in the shade Passion, so this should be pretty cute. I like the packaging as well. Let's get to it. My kids are so loud today. Jeez. Ooh, that is nice. Can you see that? Very cute packaging. First of all, this is probably probably my favorite packaging for a palette that I think I have, aside from my ColourPop Sailor Moon, which is my numero uno. This one right here is darn beautiful. Yeah, we got that matte with that little shine here. Wow, let me put my Sailor Moon back. That is really nice. I was not expecting that. I have, like I said, I haven't had any experience with her eyeshadows, but wow. And then, ooh, that's nice. On the inside, you have the mirror, and then we have these colors that are beautiful. Those are right up my alley. So cute. And we have the names on the inside and on the back. Yes. Kylie should probably go over and tell Kim a little something about how to label the eyeshadows. I already went ahead and put most of my face together, so we're just going to dive right in with the eyeshadows. So let me bring you closer so we can experience this together. Yeah. Okay, so I threw on some lashes after I did my palette, the Burgundy palette, and of course I used quite a bit of color. Not hella thrilled with the line I made on the side. It's a little too dramatic for my day. I'm just gonna go and pick up some earrings at the mall, but it's still alright. I'm gonna come in with my blush. It's gonna be the ColourPop Vogue Pressed Powder Blush. Cutest color, I swear. And then to keep with a Kylie theme, I'm going to come in with the Kylie. Is that what they call it? Oh no, this one is the Kylie Jenner Pressed Illuminating Powder. This is from the Grinch collection. I love this one. This is the Littlest of Who's. And that's a cute color. It's like, damn, bright as hell. Is that like super reflective or what? Gosh. It just lights up. I love this one. This one I've been keeping out because it's really nice, really shiny, really reflective. It is not my favorite. It is not my go-to. It's not my ride or die, but it is that good. I keep it out and I use it pretty often. So she's doing something right there. The colors are pretty nice too on the palette. Before we get into that though, real quick, let me get this lipstick on. Where'd you go? Lipstick. We're gonna come in with the lipstick. I did try the ones from the Grinch collection and I loved those, because before those I'd only tried her liquid matte, liquid velvet, liquid whatever. Those mean business. If you've never tried them before, you need to. They stay all night, all day, through food, rain, sleet, snow, whatever the saying is. My point is, it's good. It, to the point where like it would leave a tint of red or whatever color. I only have the reds. It would leave a tint of red on my lips for days afterwards. It stays, and she means business. These are creamy. These are soft. These are beautiful. They do not run. I still wear a liner with them, but they are amazing. You got to try these. Well, I mean, the ones with the Grinch collection. I don't know if this is the same formula, but we're going to find out. And by we, I mean me. And this is a cream, so it's not the matte. Her mattes can go for days though, let me tell you. I did, but anyway. This is really cute. Look at the inside of the box. It is pink. And then this is beautiful. Ooh, hi. Oh, that is nice. It's very mute, it's very simple, it's very plain, but for this look it's gonna go well, and I love these colors. I love them. Look at, she even puts her name on it. You know it's good when you put your name on it. So I'm gonna come in with my ColourPop lip liner in 951 to use with my Kylie Jenner lipstick. Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Jenner lipstick. Let me get to work. Work, 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 work. This is cute on its own, but I'm still gonna come in with the lipstick. All right, this is a lot more pink than I thought it was gonna be. It didn't, I guess, it didn't look as pink to me, but it's still cute. Her lip products have this smell to them. It's kind of like candy. It's okay. It's not hella overwhelming. It's not good though. Not really. If you've ever used it, whether it's the lipstick, I think some of my liquid lip does, and the lip glosses, definitely. Oh my gosh, like that is all the lip glosses are, is smell and then shine. That's it. Insane. So I went ahead and used my Urban Decay 24/7 liner on the bottom because I made this look a little bit more dramatic than I intended to, and that's okay. I'm gonna look bougie going in the mall, I guess. So about the palette, who was supposed to be the star of the show, the lipstick was just a bonus. Pretty good. The colors don't exactly come out as they are in here, more specifically the lighter colors. The darker colors, definitely you can see them, but the lighter colors, I assume this one had a little bit of shimmer to it, so I applied it to the inner corner of my eye, and it was pretty plain. It didn't really sparkle like I wanted it to, so I had to come in with my homeboy here. We went from naked to LA. We had to throw on some lashes, line the bottom lash line, and the lipstick really pulls this look together really darn well. So overall, I think this is a really good palette. I'm not going to be reaching for it on the daily. Well, no, probably not. As much as I want to say it, I mean, there's a few other colors I can do, so I'll probably try it out, go for more of a coppery look, because she has in here these colors. Because she put these colors in here. The penny I did love. I absolutely loved. I used it as a transition shade, but then I came back and I added a little bit more throughout because I thought it was so beautiful and it lightens, and I just love that coppery color it left behind. So I'd probably do penny, almond, New York, brick. Brick was a nice one. Brick was pretty good. So maybe I will come back into this one. You never know. I mean, it's been sitting on my desk here for a couple months, so I might as well try to use some of it. It wouldn't hurt. If you've tried anything from the Kylie Cosmetic collection, let me know. Let me know if there's something specific or special I should be checking out, looking into, or anything like that. This on its own is pretty nice. It's working for me, working really well. So I'm gonna end this video because at this point I'm just rambling. I'm gonna head to the mall, get me some new earrings. You have a great day. Remember, we do this every Thursday, Sunday, and I will catch you next time. Bye.